Welcome. This is a demonstration of decompressing your own neck, followed by chin tucks. This is a method to help create space in your neck, as well as mobility in the joints where the head and the neck meet. So you're going to use the webbing between the thumb and the forefinger and place them at the bottom of your skull. And I know the view is not great here. I am going to change angles here in a moment. Um, and you hook that webbing under the base of the skull and lift straight upward on both sides. This is gentle and easy. Okay, go ahead and release slowly and take a breath and go ahead and re-engage the decompression. It's up to you how long feels safe and comfortable to decompress. Now the chin tuck, if you need a feeling cue, put one finger on the chin, the other one on the back of the head. As the chin comes back toward your spine, the back of the head comes upward a little bit, and you're going to see that here. Okay, so as the chin comes back, the back of the head tilts upward ever so slightly. All right, thank you for joining me.